Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for May 15th, 2018. For your Tuesday, we're going to have a very warm surge of air coming in from the southwest today ahead of a cold front. We're going to have very early this morning, we're going to have an area of low pressure that is off to our northwest over the eastern Great Lakes, and we're situated right about here. And the warm front associated with it is off the north now. So this is going to be moving off in this direction toward Maine. And it's moving pretty quickly throughout the day as it moves eastward. You can see that it's already moving up into Vermont, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts area, right over northeastern parts of northern New England. The cold front associated with this will be situated back here like this at this point. And in our area right here, we will be warm sector. Temperatures are going to get up in the mid to upper 80s across the region today, and very high sticky dew points that we're going to be dealing with at near or above 70 degrees, which is very soupy atmosphere and very conducive to produce severe weather. So as we move ahead in time here, this front will sag down to the south as this area of low pressure moves up into the Gulf of Maine, and the front associated with it, which is situated back here like this, is going to start moving off to the south, and out ahead of it there is scattered showers and thunderstorms, and these are going to be locally severe, especially in our eastern zones. I'm going to show you where that is in a moment. Here is a look at the NAM high-res future simulator radar. This is off the high-res NAM. Starting this off at noon, nothing going on here. Everybody's in sunshine at this point, and nothing but unabated warmth coming in here from the southwest. Winds from the southwest, 7 to 12 miles per hour, bringing these winds into, or bringing the warmth in today. And again, 85 to 90 in that range from north to south across the region today is generally the range of high temperatures you're going to be in, except for maybe the mountains. Might be a few degrees cooler than that, but not really too much. And then we will be dew points 70 or above in many of these locations. And as we get through the afternoon, here's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, here's 2, here's 3, right here. And you can see a line of storms is going to start forming over north central and northern Pennsylvania, or northeastern Pennsylvania. It's going to start working its way down to the southeast. So here is 4 p.m. By the time we get to 5 p.m., this line really starts getting going and starts to really develop and mature. But you can see the heaviest cells are going to be over here in the eastern parts of the region. So I don't expect this to be, if you're down here in these areas, lower Susquehanna Valley, at least the western portions of that, you might miss out on this and just get something rogue and not really too intense. But these storms that I'm circling right here are going to become pretty dangerous, and have winds expectations with those storms. If this congeals into a solidified line like this, like we expect in a Boeing line segment at that, you can expect wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and in some cases over 70 miles per hour. Okay, so very high winds is the primary threat with this. You also have large hail as part of the threat. That would be mainly for any discrete cells that form ahead of this. That would have that hail threat, or large hail threat anyway. Torrential downpours, very frequent lightning, where we have very high instability because of those temperatures being well into the mid to upper 80s and the high dew points. So a lot of instability to work with. So you're going to have frequent lightning, frequent cloud to go around lightning. And then as we move in with time, you can see the start of this line continuing to mature as it moves to the south and east and really gets going and in a big way as you get down here in the southeastern Pennsylvania, central New Jersey. You see closer to the coast, though, you have that marine influence. These storms won't be as robust there, I don't think, but we'll have to watch this area closely. It's going to move off pretty quickly to the south. Here's 7, here is 8, and moves just south of Philadelphia at this point, and here is 9, moving through central Delaware, and you see it kind of falls apart then as it moves further south and east. And then overnight we have some residual showers continuing off and on. That's going to continue on today, on Wednesday as well, and much cooler with the front off the south at this point. And again, I think the highest areas, the highest probabilities for severe weather, to see severe weather today, I'm going to circle areas right here. These are going to be your areas right in here, I think. I don't think you're going to get too far removed from this. This is probably your highest risk area right here. All right, outside of that area, you can still get severe weather, okay, but you're going to have a marine influence out here, a marine influence out in these areas right here in the nearest the coast. Dying storms after dark down here in central and southern Delaware, so I don't think it gets too far south there. Not in these areas pretty much. It's going to stay to the northeast of you. And out in central PA, I don't think they get organized in time really to be severe. So I think this is your area that you're really dealing with right in the middle, right inside this circled area. And that's this area right here. That's where your area of severe is going to be today, I think. And we will watch that closely and send out alerts as needed for that potential. Again, I alluded to Wednesday being the severe threat, or being the clouds and showers day, and I think that's going to continue here during the day here on Wednesday with those intermittent showers along the frontal boundary that's off to our south now. So kind of a cooler day, a lot cooler actually than it was today, or will be today. And that's for Wednesday. And then it's still going to remain, actually it's going to warm up a little bit here on Wednesday. It's going to depend where you are, or excuse me, on Thursday. The front is going to be off to our south now, so there's going to be an opportunity for a shower across our southern areas and kind of hanging around 70 degrees. But once you get up here, and you're probably mostly cloudy here and partly cloudy up in these areas, the mostly cloudy and partly cloudy areas probably get well into the 70s, maybe upper 70s, in fact, because they're going to see some of the sun peeking out. But down here, down to the lowest, nearest the showers down here, you're not going to see too much in the way of sun, and you're going to see a lot of clouds, and so it's going to hold the temperature in check on Thursday. Opportunity for an isolated shower or scattered shower across the southern regions. Now, once we get into Friday, Thursday night and Friday, we have a warm front that's going to move northward, and that's in association with an area of low pressure right here. It's going to bring all this rain along the warm front northward, and should be a decent amount of rain with this as it moves northward very slowly, and that's going to go straight into Friday night. So Thursday night into Friday night, we're looking at for that, and then through the night on Friday night. Now, once you get to Saturday, you have some scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm left over, and that should clear out for Sunday. Sunday looks a lot better. They're still starting to show some morning clouds giving way to sun, but we do think there's going to be some in the afternoon here on Sunday. Still warm. Same thing for Monday. Cold front approaching from the west, though. It looks like it's losing some moisture coming east, so it might just fizzle out and not give us anything other than a stray shower. Not really looking like a big deal right now, but we should return to partly cloudy skies for the most part as we turn to Monday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for May 15th, 2018. Be sure to check out the weather alerts page today and all of our social media channels, as we will alert you for any severe thunderstorm watches or tornado watches that are issued across the region. I don't think we're going to be dealing with tornado watches mostly. Should be a severe thunderstorm watch, and when that is issued today, if and when, we will alert the public. And so just keep following the social media avenues, either Facebook or Twitter, and we'll keep you updated. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for May 15th, 2018. Have a great Tuesday. Be safe.